Hello everybody and welcome to Visit Fylde Coast. Now this is a little bit of a special bonus video for today because today, well yesterday actually, the 28th of April 2021 at about, I think it was 8 o'clock, we managed to strike the 5,000 subscribers mark. So I'd like to give a big round of applause to all you, because without you there would be no channel. So thanks to our lovely subscribers and followers and viewers and everybody that's given us encouragement and egged us on like you've done in the last 12 months. Without you, we would be nothing. Anyway, so in walks Kevin to the living room with this parcel for me. And I had a fair idea what might be inside it, so I said, I'm not going to open it now, I'll open it and video it live. Obviously it's not a live broadcast, I'm genuinely opening it for the first time. I do not know what's in here. I've got a fair idea, but I don't know what it is. So I thought I would share the moment with my lovely friends. So, would you believe we've been YouTubing for less than a year? It was the 1st of July last year when we managed to get to 1,000 subscribers. So to have got as far as we've done between us, I think we've done really well. So on the front of this parcel, they've put Jane Littlewood, the icon. And the reason that they've put that on, that's if you watch Brew at 2, which is our live Tuesday afternoon stream and general hilarity, you'll know that we take the mickey out of one another mercilessly. And somebody had put a comment on one of our YouTube videos the other day. It was something to do with me appearing at Blackpool Pride and being an icon and I didn't know it. Well, we've fallen about laughing at that because I mean, me an icon, I ask you. So, excuse me while I get the scissors into the scissor pot. So they've made me something, so I'm going to open it for you to see what it is. Are you ready? I'm going to carefully open the sellotape and probably I can see some of our Seaside Emporium tissue paper underneath the cardboard. So we'll take the packing off and we'll do the drum roll and the fanfare moment and see what's inside it. So while I'm doing this, obviously I would be absolutely extremely delighted if anybody's watching this. I'll shut the scissors, shall I, before I poke my eyes out. If anybody's watching this that is not already a subscriber, I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe and don't forget to hit the little bell. And then you'll get notifications when we do new videos, go live, do Brew 2, etc. Because we do all kinds of batty things at Visit Fylde Coast. So, and you too can be part of our gang. Let's have a look and see what's inside it, shall we? Oh, and don't forget as well, if you're watching, give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, because that's what makes the whole YouTube thing work. So I'm going to open the packet. I'm going to open the packet and we're going to see what it is. So it's nicely wrapped in, this is our mauve Seaside Emporium tissue paper, and it's a picture. I can tell that it's a picture. So I'll burst the tissue paper, shall I, and we'll unveil it live on air. Are you ready? So I've got no idea what's in it. It'll be something sarcastic, I can tell you. Let's have a see, shall we? Oh! Now, I would just like to say, before anybody asks, this is not a genuine bona fide YouTube certificate. You don't get certificates from YouTube until you get to 100,000 subscribers, at which point you get silver, or 1 million subscribers, at which point you get gold. This is a homemade one, so if anybody's watching or YouTube's got an eye on me, we are not, this is just a personal joke between us and our viewers. Presented to Visit Fylde Coast for passing 5,000 subscribers. What about that? I'm going to put the date on that. I'm going to hang that on the wall. So there's an envelope in with it as well. Now I reckon this is a masterpiece from T-Boy. I think this is a T-Boy-esque something or other. It's a letter from YouTube. Oh, it's a proper look. It's a letter from YouTube. I'll read it out to you, shall I? It says, "You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You've had an astonishing 5,000 people subscribe to your channel." I think actually quite a few people managed that one. "We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but don't lose sight of the reality behind the 5,000 milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created." This bit's true though. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humour too. Exactly. We can't. Oh, here we go. "And we'd like to recognise you and all your hard work with this homemade 5,000 Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards, you do it because you have a drive to create and share." And it's from Bunny Rabbit, CEO, The Rabbit Patch Limited, Bunny Towers. What about that then? The only thing that they've forgotten is the date. I ask you. Fancy not putting the date on. So I'll pop that there out of the way, and we'll move the tissue. I'll save that because we can recycle that for packing. Which brings me on to the moment in July when I passed 1,000. So this is my homemade 1,000 subscribers certificate, and this is my scrapbook, one of many, in which I keep all the things that people sent to us. So there you go. You see, look, there's letters and notes and thank yous and cards and all the nice stuff that we've had. We had an article, some photos printed in that. In fact, that is one of our photos on the cover. All the things that people sent to us, I always keep. Don't chuck all your bits and bobs away, and then when I'm an old woman, I'm going to look back on all this. You see, this is August 2019, when the world was normal and we went to the Grand Theatre. So that's my memory book, that. So thank you ever so much. Thank you ever so much for sharing this journey with us, and it is far from over. So we've got lots planned and lots ready to do when we start getting a bit further out of lockdown. So make sure that you've liked the video, you've subscribed, don't forget to hit the little bell, and then you'll get the notifications, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.